Welcome back to California Live. Well, we finally received a reprieve from that killer heat, but many of our plants are still a bit worse for the wear. Don't give up on them just yet. Malou Nubla is introducing us to an expert who's kept one plant thriving for, get this, 28 years.
Do you have a green thumb? You can tell this is definitely not my plant. I'm at California's sister in Sebastopol, and we have some tips on how to keep your indoor and outdoor plants thriving with Kathrin. Hi, Kathrin.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so there are ways you can definitely keep your outdoor plants thriving.
In the heat, make sure to pull them together. Make sure they're shaded. If they're not, make sure they've got shade. Crystals can go in potted plants so that they retain the moisture and keep it longer. Irrigation. If you've got outdoor plants planted in the ground, irrigation gives them a little bit of a drip all the time. They get a constant water. They too need to be shaded if possible.
Okay.
Also make sure organic matter is down near the roots so that absorbs and keeps water close to the roots.
Okay, you said crystals. I'm thinking of crystals.
I know, but they're not. It's just very small little bits.
Okay.
You can buy them from any hardware store.
Okay.
And they expand with
okay,
water.
Kathrin, so that should help your outdoor plants live long. Okay, this plant, on the other hand, is 28 years old. What kind of plant is it? What kind of plant is it?
Monstera. They get huge. They're jungle plants. They will get as big a space as you give them.
Yeah, and what about if you see some of the brown on your leaves?
Don't worry about that. It's normally the older leaves that do that. You don't need to be concerned. If they're unsightly, you can trim them. And with house plants too, with this heat, take them away from walls, take them away from windows, which absorb heat. Also, outdoors and indoors, keep them not in black pots.
Okay.
I'm sorry, outdoors really. Don't have them in black pots because the black pots absorb heat.
Okay, and then some that don't need a lot of water. I know these need water, but what are these right here?
Right, so air plants. What air plants don't need is dirt, but they do need water. Keep them close to light, but not in direct sun. And don't put them in anything. All those cells, to stay healthy, need good air circulation. So if you've got a little pot, do it across the top, not down.
You said something, the indoor plants don't like the sun?
No.
I didn't know that.
If you're a cactus or a succulent, they thrive on sun. Put them on the windowsill, they'll do great. But all these plants in here, indoor plants, they just need diffused light.
Okay.
And then they do really well.
All right, something else you can do with your plants, right?
Yes. Now, with indoor plants, we tell everyone to get a moisture meter. It tells you if it's dry, moist, or wet.
Okay.
So just as an example,
this
is a polka dot plant. They're gorgeous. Now that one is saying it's moist, so it's okay. If it starts to head toward the dry, I'm going to water it.
Okay.
And your alocasias, your ferns, your polka dot are examples of ones that need more water than not.
Okay.
Your normal house plants are going to register on moist. You water them once or twice a week.
And so, what about when do you repot a plant?
Right. Sorry about that. You repot it when you start to get roots off the bottom. It starts to push towards the top.
Right.
And what you're going to do is just go 2 inches higher. So this is a 4-inch pot. You go to a 6-inch pot, 6, 8. They like to be cuddly. They like to feel close.
Yeah.
But not too close.
Yeah. And one thing, should you trim your plants or?
Right. Yes.
Trim them at all, or?
You can take off any of the dead leaves, but when it's really hot, keep all that on. Outside and inside, it all helps to retain all that great water.
Okay.
Yes.
This one's really attracting me. What is this?
This is one of your loves, isn't it?
Yes, it is. What is this?
This is an anthurium.
It's all the color, and the leaves are so shiny, and it looks very, very happy. Does this need a lot of water?
That's a normal house plant. So again, okay.
Let's see.
So that's starting to get into the dry. We're going to give that a little water today.
Okay, all right. You get some water today, honey.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go.
And then finally, one thing is to get into the succulents, right?
Right. Cactus and succulents only need a little bit of water. So we check them, and if they're in the dry, then we give them a little bit of water.
Okay. How much water, and how often do you have to water these? I know that I don't water mine a lot because these are the ones I can keep alive, actually.
Cactus normally, it depends on how hot it is. When it's really hot, we check these every day and give them just a little bit of water. But normally, once or twice a week.
Okay.
And again, keep them near the window or outside.
All right, Kathrin, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Happy planting. There you go, Jess. You all now have the green thumb.
All right, thanks, Malou. And it's good to know we shouldn't panic when we see brown leaves because my plants have plenty of them after last week.